নমস্কার। বিগ ব্রেকিং নিউজ। আজ মাননীয় বিচারপতি অমিতা সিনহার বেঞ্চে ইডব্লিউএস সার্টিফিকেট ইস্যু নিয়ে তুলকালাম হাইকোর্ট এবং সেখানে বিস্ফোরক অ্যাডভোকেট ফিরদৌস শামীম। ইডব্লিউএস সার্টিফিকেট নিয়ে যে সমস্যা তৈরি হয়েছিল নতুন এসএলএসটি অর্থাৎ এসএলএসটি এক্সাম 2025-এ, সেটা নিয়ে আজকে একটা ফাইনাল অর্ডার চলে এলো এবং মামলাকারীদের পক্ষে এ অর্ডার গেল এবং ইডব্লিউএস সার্টিফিকেট নিয়ে যারা সমস্যায় পড়েছিলেন তাদের একটা ভালো অর্ডার সামনে চলে এলো। শেষ পর্যন্ত শুনুন হাইকোর্ট পাড়ায় কি তুলকালাম
I do not
একটা
have
সওয়াল
a
জবাব হয়েছে।
OBC certificate as
শেষ
yet.
পর্যন্ত
As
ভালো
I
করে
am a
মন
new
দিয়ে শোনার
entrant,
চেষ্টা করুন।
public stroke, my OBC category has changed. My certificate is an old and a manually issued one, and new certificate has not been issued. So what to do? If you have an old certificate, enter that number for future reference and verification. If you are a new entrant and do not have a certificate, leave the field blank as it not a mandatory field. It is made clear that actually physical verification of category details will be conducted only after publication of the result of the written examination. So for that reason, because of that short scope category, my lord, I mentioned it, my lord. And even in my my lord, page number 81, it is mentioned that I am in a short scope category, my lord. I entered my photo and signature. That is so. The reason is that, my lord, because that Shadgop
Then he'll be
community.
treated as OBC and not as the EWS.
Yes.
That can be done. Commission, not in certificate. But due to the delay in issuing such certificate, they could not disclose their category at the very first instance, but the candidates received the certificates prior to the last date of updating the category, that is 26th September 2025. Stop. It has been submitted that the EWS certificate is valid for a financial year. Stop. These certificates relied upon by the petitioners are valid from 1st April 2025 till 31st March 2026. Stop. It has been submitted that the authority ought to treat the petitioners as candidates of the reserved category, relying on the certificates annexed by them in the instant writ petition. Step. In support of the submission that the authority ought to give credence to the EWX certificate the petitioners rely on the judgment delivered by the Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court on 24th March 2023 in LPA 1199-2019 in the matter of Haryana Staff Selection Commission versus Subhash Chand and others, wherein the court relies on the principle that proof of reservation claim can be submitted later. Stop. The appeal preferred by the now the appeal preferred against the judgment in the matter of Shubhas Chand within brackets Supra has been affirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court. By judgment dated 31st January 2024 in Civil Appeal number 6395 of 2023 in the matter of Haryana Staff Selection Commission versus Subhash Chand and others. Stop. A reference has also been made to the judgment delivered by the Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of Dolly Chanda versus Chairman, JEE and others, reported in 2005 9 SCC 779. Their certificates after the last date of filing the online application may be deprived the scope for being treated as reserved category candidate. Step. The rule relying on which the reservation is granted prescribes that the reservation certificates ought to be issued by the competent authorities on or before the last date of receiving the online applications. Step. The submission of the petitioners that the Commission permitted updating or editing the reservation status does not imply that candidates who obtained the certificates after the last date could have updated or edited their option relying on those certificates. Stop. Had the certificates been available prior to the last date of filing the application form, then only the question of updating or editing the option arises. Stop. Any certificate which is issued beyond the prescribed period cannot be given the benefit of reservation. Stop. The judgment in the matter of Ram Kumar Gijroya mentions about a caste certificate. Stop.
That cumulative grade point average 9.21. Exactly, she mentioned that.
Would be denied such benefit. Stop. The same would be arbitrary and will certainly be discriminatory in nature. Stop. In view of the above, the prayer of the petitioners cannot be allowed. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
Only one thing is
Can allowed.
one
One thing
thing.
must be pointed out, that the petitioner did not point out. Page number 81 shows a
Yes,
certificate which
I
was
want to.
issued prior
prior
to
to-
the date of the last date, yet he applied as OBC B and did not rectify it. That case of petitioner 8 is different from the rest of the petitions. But page 81, your lordship.
My lord, why I explain that one?
18th July, আমি
Yes.
বলছি বলো না, তুমি বলো নি তোমার বলার সময়।
আমি ওটাই
18th
ইন্ডিকেট
July
করতে যাচ্ছিলাম।
2025, he has obtained it before the last date. Yet he gave the category of OBC B. Your lordship will find at page 79. The form he has annexed at page 79. So he had option till 5th of August to rectify it. He did not rectify it. That is a separate case, factual situation of the P8.
My lord, may I, my lord? Because of that, my lord, kindly turn page number 81. Sri Ashish Kumar Kole belongs to the Shodgop. Got it, my lord? Kindly turn, my lord, page number 168.
168.
Yes, my lord. Shodgop is a category. Earlier, he was not categorized as a OBC. Later on, the state government of West Bengal, they categorize this Shodgop category as a OBC category, but they not issued the certificate. And for that reason, my lord, kindly turn page number 168.